mile.
Man, I'm knocking on the friggin' door. My 60-foot was bad on that. I gotta start a little bit harder on the launch. My oil temp is getting hot now. My cylinders are running cool. Thank you. Oh, I did it! Did it! 11.9, baby! 11.9! 11.9! We got the 11.9. We got the 11.9. 11.9. 11.9. Official track slip, 11.9. 11.9. 11.9. That's it, I'm done for the day, boys and girls. 11.9. I broke the 11s. Holy crap. Broke the 12s, I mean. Gotta love it. Gotta love it.
30.
Gotta
Quarter
love it.
mile.
Congrats. Maybe you don't need headers to run 11.